Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to implement the delete operation. So if you go to the dashboard controller, we have that destroy method at the bottom. So we have this destroy method, which will remove the specified resource from storage. So if you go to the browser, we already have this button on the index view, but it's not working. So we have to make sure that we can be able now to remove a specific resource from storage, that is deleting. So first, let's get that resource by ID. So that resource is job, find by ID, delete. So once you delete, redirect to the index view, return, redirect. So this one should be redirect to index view, which is dashboard, with a session message. So with, so remember the message is the key to look for, and then the message will be job post deleted successfully. Save. Now the next step, let's go to the index view, which has this button, so that you can be able to put that route. So here we are going to use what we call form method spoofing. Remember what we said about form method spoofing. HTML forms do not support put, patch, or delete actions. So when defining put, patch, or delete routes that are called from an HTML form, you need to use or to add a hidden method field to the form. So here we're going to use that form. So let's add that form. So the action, so remember this delete button will be posting to this route, dashboard.destroy, which is going to use the verb delete as the method. So route which is dashboard.destroy and then that resource ID. Then we need to add that hidden method field, method which is delete, and then also we need to add the CSRF token field. So CSRF. Then this button should be inside this form, and we need to change this to button, and also here button. Save. So let's go to the browser and see. So I'm going to refresh first. So try to delete any. I'm going to delete this job post with ID 15, delete. And as you can see, success, job post deleted successfully. So again, you can see we don't have any that job post. If you go to the database, so you're going to look for that job post with ID 15. You can see it here. So let's refresh first. So if you scroll down now, you'll see you don't have any, you don't have that job post with ID 15. So everything is working fine, or we can delete another one. So let's delete 3. And as you can see, success, job post deleted successfully. Let's go to the browser, to the database. As you can see, we have 3. Refresh. Now, as you can see, we don't have it anymore. So everything is working fine, and I'll see you in the next lecture.